Okay, first we will draw circle on the craft paper with the help of a compass. The size of the circle depends on how much big flower you want to make, so it's up to you. Let's cut it with the scissors. Okay, now watch carefully because this is the main part. Fold the round shape paper 3 times like this. Now draw outline with a pencil. Those outline portion will be cut off. Just like this. I think you got the idea. Okay, now let's unfold again and roll to make cone shape like this. Now place those on the paper with glue. I hope you guys understand the idea, but if you have any doubts you can ask in the comment section. And you need to be very precious to make such kinds of craft. Now attach a cardboard on the back side to make this strong. Now we will make the stem of the flowers with green craft paper, and if you want you can use other color. Cut it like this to attach the stem with the flowers. So it is done, as you can see. Let's make some leaves. Now it's absolutely ready. This is made of soil and we are using this as a flower vase.